This is another professional looking website that was designed and developed using WordPress without writing any single line of code. So let me refresh this particular website. So we are going to scroll down, so I will show you the sample, this sample website, because we are going to design this particular website by the end during this video, so I can show you how you can be able to design this website without writing any single line of code. This is a professional looking clothing and a fashion designer website. So you are going to design it using drag and drop. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create this particular design with WordPress. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop any video like this, you get notified. So you can see this is where you can put some designs and pricing. So this particular place where you can link it out to a page that is explaining more about this particular design or showing more images about this particular design. So, or payment gateway to collect your payment for this particular design. You can see this is a professional looking design. So this is styles that you have. So you can see the style samples, so people can literally come here and see your style sample. So this is the price that starting, you see, starting at 325. So you can see it. So this particular place, this is a video. If I click this particular box now, it's going to show me a YouTube video. So I'm going to show you how you can actually put this particular your own YouTube video over here. So I'm going to show you how you can change color of this particular website, typography. Like if you can check this background image, this background has an image. So I'm going to show you how you can change that image to your own brand color. So this is the testimony section where you can put the testimony of the people that have patronized your business so far. You can see this is another place where you can see completed projects. You can see it very nice. You can see this pop up. Yes. So this is another place where you tell people why they choose you, and you can see other sample. Like this particular website explain a whole lot about a clothing brand or fashion designer brand. So if you are looking to create a business fashion designing website, you can get your hands on this particular design and use it for your website. Or you are a web developer that have a website fashion designer client, you can use this particular website template and create their own website. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is we log on to our WordPress dashboard. So if you don't have this particular WordPress dashboard, I already made a video on how you can create your WordPress dashboard. I made a video on how you can get your domain name and hosting and install WordPress. So I'll put the link to that video in this video description, so you can go and watch that video, then come back here. But if you already have your WordPress installed, you're going to see something like this, which is what we call dashboard. So once we are in your dashboard, then the first thing we are going to do is we are going to install the theme. So by default, let me open our website in a new tab, and we are going to see this is how our website looks by default. But let me just come back here, and we are going to go to appearance, then we are going to go to theme. So when you install WordPress newly, you are going to see this default theme. You can delete them, but in this particular video, we are not going to delete any theme. Rather, we are going to add more theme. So you are going to click on add theme. So you can use the perfect theme for this particular project. So once we click on add theme, we are going to use this particular theme called Hello Elementor. So in your own case, if you didn't find it, just type here. You're going to type the name Hello Elementor, then it is going to pop up here. So we install it. Then after installation, we activate it. This is the first step. So after that, then After that, then the next thing I'm going to do is let's go back to the website. Then we refresh. You can see that the website has taken another shape. So the website has taken another shape. So which means that we have changed the theme. So this is a blog post. So now let's go back to the website. Then after installing your theme, the next thing you are going to install is plugins. So you come over here, you click on add plugins. So plugins is what help your website to function. So in as much as the theme structure the website, plugin is what help the website to function the way you want it to function, to look the way you want it to look. So without plugin, your website is not actually going to function or look the way you actually want it to look. So that's why we need it. So the first plugin we need here is Elementor. So we are going to install Elementor plugin. So that is the first plugin we are going to install, Elementor. So you search for Elementor over here. To see it, click on install. Don't activate, just install. After installing, the second plugin is a template kit import. So template kit, sorry, template kit import. You can see it. So now, sorry, template. So this template is supposed to have E here. Sorry. So search for it, template kit import. So depending on your network, it doesn't delay like this. So once you have a strong network, I think my network is dull this time around, so that is why you see it loading that way. But instead of we to have delay, I'll pause the video, and when it is loaded, you can proceed. So you scroll down, so you can see here now, this is the plugin we are going to use. So install it. So after installing it, then you click on installed plugin. Then we'll have two plugins. In your own case, you might have more than one plugin or two plugins, so you can delete the rest, but this is the major plugin we need. So you click on, you mark it and click on bulk action and click on activate, click on apply. So you click on apply. So the two plugin has been activated. So the next thing we are going to do now is it's still loading. So after loading, then the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to create pages. So come over here, click on all pages. This is the first way you can click on add page to directly create the page, but I want to show you the second option on how you can create pages. So you click on all pages, then you can come over here now, click on add page. So once you click on add page, then you can now add a page. So now we are going to create home page in this video and design the home page. Now in your own case, we are not going to have, I know you are not going to have only the home page. So other pages, maybe about us page, contact us page, service page, so all those pages you're going to create it by yourself and follow the same procedure that I used in creating this home page and design all those pages. So you're going to follow the same procedure and design all those pages. It is the same thing. So but I'm going to do everything for the home page. So just study how I did the home page, replicate it for other pages, then you link your pages together. But if you're a web developer, WordPress web developer, you already know what I'm trying to say. So now, here now is page title. Let's say home. So now you click on here the root default template. You select Elementor full width, then you publish. Publish. Say publishing fail because you were offline. Let's publish again. Let me check my network. So now let's publish. Publish again. So let's hit publish. Publish. So the page has been published. So now scroll back. Now, but if we refresh our home page, we still see the same thing, which means that the page the home page is not yet our home page, so we have to make it our home page. So you go back here, you come to settings, click on reading. So now here now you can see that our home page is our latest post, because that thing I showed you is the latest post, default post for all WordPress installation. So now we have to make that particular home page be created our home page. So for us to do that, you click here, then you click on home page, you select that home, then you click on save changes. So once you are done with that, let's go back, refresh, and you can see that our home page has been added. So now, why are you seeing home? Because I forgot to add Elementor full width. So I'm going to quickly edit it and add my Elementor full width. If not, you're going to see that home. That's the reason why you need to change the default to Elementor full width. Once you change it, you save it. In case you didn't do that, so let's go back. Let me go to my home page, refresh. You can see that the home has disappeared, so that is why. Then after that, I want us to create our menu now, because after this I want us to just focus on the development. So let me come to, for you to create menu, let's come to appearance. So you click on appearance, you click on menu, sorry, see the menu over here, click on menu. So once you click on menu, I already have some menus, so I'm going to delete some of them. I already created for the previous video that I did. So this is the menus. I'm deleting it. You can see how I delete it in case you made a mistake creating menu. So I deleted it. So let me just delete every menu. So if you come to this menu and have not created menu before, this is what we are going to see. So let's create a menu. Let me write it fashion, so that we know that this menu is mainly for this fashion design website. Click on header where I want it to appear, click on create menu. So now the menu has been created, but there is nothing in that menu. So for us to add things in that menu, I want us to add this home page to that menu. I click on it and I click on add to menu. Now let me go to my website and copy my website link. So now when I copy my website link, I want to add external link to this menu. Maybe you want to link Google to your website, or you want to link something like your friend's website to your website menu. Maybe your friend is into like shoes and you're into fashion, maybe clothing. You want people to, from your website, go to your friend's website that sells shoes, and you want it to be in your menu. This is how you are going to do it. Click on custom menu, and here you paste the link of the website page here. Then in this text you write it. So let me say this place, I write it like services. Then I'll click on add to menu. It will come here. Maybe I want to add another one. Maybe that one I will say contact us. So maybe I'll say contact us. So I'm just giving you instance. Maybe the name of your friend's website is contact us, the name of another person's website is services, or maybe you want to link to Amazon, Google, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can do that. So once you are done, you click on save menu, and the menu will be saved. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to now import our website and start working on the website. So now what we're going to do is you hover over to this tools. You are going to see template kit. You click on it. So once you click on it, it's time for us to import our template. So you can click here or click here. So like I said earlier, we are going to do this, design this particular website without writing any single line of code, just drag and drop. So drag and drop. So I've already provided the template, and the link to download the template is in this video description. So you click on this video description to download this particular template. It's not for free, but it is worth it. So you get it and install it and proceed with this customization and redesign. So in my own case, I'm going to click here to import this particular template. So once you click here, it will start processing. You can see it. It will start processing. So depending on your network strength, it won't take time and it will import. So it won't take time, then it will import. So check the link in this video description to get this particular template. It will save you a lot, because with this particular template, if you're a web developer, you can get a contract worth thousands of dollars, and this particular template is going to help you get a professional design very fast without errors. And if you are, maybe you want to help yourself do your website by yourself, you just saved yourself thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars by getting this particular template and designing this particular website by yourself. So in any way, it's a win-win for you. So you get the template and let me know if you got the template in the comment section, so that I'll give you a shout out. So now the next thing to do is to install. Make sure you install this particular requirement, because even though we installed 2 plugins, this particular template will help us install the plugins that are going to be compatible with it. So you click on install, then you click on install the above requirement. It won't take time. It will install it few minutes, depending on the strength of your network. It will install everything. So after installing, you close it. Then you notice that the notification is gone. So now the major and the most important thing after installing this is make sure you install the global kit style. If you didn't import this global kit style, no matter whatever you design, you are not going to get this particular structure. So you import the global kit style. Once you are done importing the global kit style, then you will now start designing. Then you will now start getting exactly this particular design. So now once we are done importing the global kit style, then it is time for us to design our website, to design our homepage. So for us to design our homepage, then you go to pages, all pages. So once we click on all pages, then we click on edit page. So once we click on edit page, Once you click on edit page, then you click on edit with Elementor. So once you click on edit with Elementor, Elementor page builder is going to start loading for us to start editing our website. So now, as this particular Elementor page builder loads, we didn't find the icon housing our template, so there should be icon, green icon or another icon over here that will be housing our template. So in your own case, it may happen that way, so don't panic, just refresh the page, it will appear. So I've just refreshed the page. After this loading, it will appear over there. So like I said, you can see that the green icon has appeared. This particular icon is what is housing. You can see now by hovering over it, you can see Elementor element. So this Elementor element is housing every of our templates that are imported. So just click on it. So you can see that you can install template kit. You install template kit, then we look for our home page. So you scroll down, see our home page over here. So insert, I think this is header, so not this is the header, not the home page. So see the home page here. So insert template. So once you click on insert template, it will start loading to import the template. So once it is done, we are going to see our template imported, and we'll continue the design. So you can see that the template has been imported successfully. So let me just publish it and show you in our home page. Then I will now start show you how you can start editing this particular template. So it is still publishing. So let's scroll down as we wait for it to publish. This network. So you can see that everything actually imported successfully. You can see it. I'm just showing you that everything, all the sections is now editable. You know what I mean? All the section is now editable, and you can customize this the way you want. You can, meaning that you can change the color, typography, images of all these sections. It is now customizable, so you can see it. Even though this particular downside is still loading, so that's why it is showing blank. I think that's what is delaying this particular publishing. So it's still loading. You can see network. I think my network is not that good. You can see it here. So now everything there has loaded. It remains this particular section. I know that it will still load. It's still load. So every of this particular place is purely editable. You can see it is editable. You can actually change. This is a blog post, so anything you publish on your blog post will appear here. But let me show you that this particular everything here is actually editable. You can just click on this particular box here for you to change this text over here. So network is hanging, so click on it, then you can see stay updated. Let me say stay focused. So now we see that it will change over here. Stay updated. You can see stay focused. I changed it. I changed it from stay updated to stay focused. Now, if I want to change the color, I will just come to style. Then you come to this focus title, which is this. So you can see the color here. I'm changing it to red. I'm changing it to red. Something like red. So I'm changing it to red. You see it? Now, title itself, that is not the focus title. Just click on it. Click on it. Then it is black. I can do any other thing. Then maybe I change it to, let's say blue. I love blue. Especially dark blue. See, you can see. So that's it. So you see, so everything here is editable. So you want to edit. I don't know why it didn't publish. So, but let's republish it again. So you want to actually edit. Boom, it has been published. So let's come back to our website. So let's refresh it. Okay, I think it is loading. So as it is loading, let's go back to the editing part and continue. So you want to change this image, just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see this image. You choose another image, you change it. So I'm going to change it now. I'm going to select image from my media library, because if you import it, you're going to actually have images in your media library. But take for instance, you don't have any image, you just click on upload file, click on select file, then you select image from your gallery. That's what you are going to do. All the image, because I know that all the images you are going to upload here is in your computer system. So this is how you are going to just click here, then you start uploading it one after the other. So but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you that you can change any image. So I'll choose this image, then I select, then you can see I've changed it. This particular word over here, see it here, so you can change it. It said wide and beautiful fabric collection. Let's say wide and beautiful silk. So you can see I changed it to beautiful silk collection. So that is how you can change every of this image. Just any image you click on, just change it. See it here, change it. Text you click on, see the text over here where they say title, then change it. Just change everything. This image, this particular pop-up, take for instance this particular pop-up now, you change, you see casual fabricated, see where they wrote it, see casual, you see description, see where they wrote it here. This is the title, casual fabricated. So let me just say casual, let's say fabric is sophisticated. Sorry, I think this one, yes. Yeah, we are on the right track. You can see sophisticated, we remove the casual. So the same thing. Now if you want to edit this particular one here on this particular design, see where you can do it. You can see that in this design it says casual sophisticated. Now what we are going to do over there is sophisticated, because it's already written every day. I think this one we change is going to reflect there as the title, because they are the same thing. So now if you want to change this particular image, you click here, style, you can see the image, see it here, see the image, see it here, that is the image. You want to change this one, click on it, style, you see the image, see it here, see the image, see it. That's how you can change the image. So I've already shown you how you can change it. So now we want to link this particular button to another page, because I told you you are going to create other pages. Now this is how you can link it together. All your project page, and you want to link this particular page there, just once you click on this button, this is place the root link, paste the link to that page here, just like I pasted the link here. This is link to my home page. In your own case, you're going to paste the link to that page you want to people to go to once they click here. So that's how you are going to do to other buttons. Now this particular background image, I don't know what to call that type of image, but let me show you how. Just click here now, then click on style. That is where the background image is. See it here. Change it to your own image. Now there's something I told you earlier in previous video. If any of this image, what you're going to do is come to home page, then download the images. If you cannot download it, then you are going to come to the dashboard, then go to your media. I'll show you how to go to your media, then you can see the images from there. You download it. To see the size and dimension of that image, you recreate an image with the same size and dimension, so that when you upload it, it will still take the same shape as the original template, but with different designs. So yeah, that is what I'm trying to say. So you can do that. Once you change another image here now, this particular website will change. So now you can come here now and change the color. Let's assume I want to change the color of this particular 02. Just click on style. Click on style. You see background color. You can see the color. So let me just change the color to something that I like, that will be shouty. You can see. So now if you change the three colors and the text colors, just like I showed you how to change, after doing that, nobody will know that you did this design. Now another thing I promised to show you is how you can be able to change this YouTube link. So now you click on this icon. Now it's going to show us this YouTube video, so but I'm going to cancel it. So now if you want to link it, just click on this icon. It's going to show you this particular play button. You can change the play button to another play button. Maybe you can change it to this one or this one, but I think this one is okay, so you just click insert. That is how to add that icon. So now here now is where you can see video URL. Paste your video link here. You just go to your YouTube and copy your YouTube video link, paste it here. That's how you can paste it. So whenever somebody click on that video, it's going to show a pop-up, and that person starts watching your YouTube video directly from your website. Now the background image here, you can use the thumbnail of that YouTube video. So professional thumbnail of that YouTube video, or a YouTube video of you in your designing room, just like the background image here. You can recreate this particular background image and make it your image instead of the image of this particular person. Then that's how you can do that. Remember, for you to change this background image, just click here, click on style, and see it here. So you change it. So majorly all the images are usually in style. Once you click on style, that's where they always are. So you can use the same way to change image, and you can use the same way to do what, add link to this button by putting link over here. So that's how I showed you. So literally everything here you can actually do it. Image, click on image, change image. So click on text, change the text. See the money here, 2000. So let me remove it. Is now 850. So you see it. So you can literally remember the background. Click here, then click on style. See the background. So you change it. So literally change everything. Here now, if you have your partners ready, you can add their logos. But if you don't have, just click here to remove it. So let's assume you have your partners. Once you click here, then you click on this particular place. You are going to now click on add to gallery. Now, like I said earlier, you're going to download one of those images to create their logo in that size, so that their logo will be in uniform size, so as to fit in with this design. So now let's assume that this is the logo I want to add. You click on it and you click on add to gallery. It will appear here. I want to remove this one. You might not see it. Then you click on insert gallery. Then it will appear. See it. Like I said earlier, because it is not uniform size, it is now bigger than the logos. So now if you make it uniform size, all of them will be in uniform. So now for you to change this image, just like any other image, click on it and add image. Make sure you have a portrait image of yourself or your brand ambassador, and you put it here in a portrait mode. It will suit you. Then this image here, just like this particular, they call this thing carousel image. Just you see, image carousel. So you can do the same here. So add images in the same way you did here by just clicking here and adding it. Just say, let me just add one. So let me just add to gallery so that I'll show you what I'm trying to say. So let me add this one. Click on insert. So it is, then click on insert gallery. So you can see now that I've added it. See it here. So I want them to play. See it. So like I said, because it's not the same size, so it didn't fit in, but I just want to show you how to add it. So if you use this particular size, use it all through, it will give another unique design, but all of them should be uniform sizes. So after which you can change this text just like normal. You can see it, you can change it just like normal. Then after which you click on publish. So the background image, just like normal, click on it, come to style, then see it here, change it. So we have published it. So let's refresh our home page. So once we refresh our home page, you can see that everything took effort. You can see we don't have header for this website. So, but I will still add it. So you see that thing I deleted here, the image I added here, this one. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This 850 is the changes I made reflected. Let's scroll down again. This color that I changed. Let's scroll down again. Let's scroll down again. Did I change any other thing? So I changed sophistication. Scroll down again, and they change this particular color. So you can see it, everything reflected. So after which then it's time for us to go back and add our website header and footer. So if you find any difficulty here, drop it in the comment section, then I will respond to you with a video on how to solve that problem. If you get any difficulty, just drop it in the comment section. I will respond to you. So for the meantime, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to create the header of this particular website. So just click back, then click back, so we can come to our dashboard. So now once we come to our dashboard, remember, once you select this particular page to be your home page, you are going to see front page, which means it is the front page. If you designed everything and you didn't see front page here, it is not yet your home page. So you follow the process and make it your home page. So now come to element kit, click on header footer. So once you click on header footer, then you click on add new template. Here now we're adding header. The most important thing is not this title. The most important thing is the type. It should be header and it should be entire website. Then you click here, then you click on edit content. So it will start loading Elementor for us to add our header. So you can see how easy it is. So if you can sit down for 24 hours, maybe you already have your website, your images, business images ready, business logo ready, the text that you need to be added to your website, you have it ready. If you already have these things ready, this particular project will take you more than 24 hours and you completed your web development project. Deliver it to your client, or if it is your own business, you start your business immediately. So it won't take you more than 24 hours. But if maybe you don't have all those things ready, You can start finding who will create it for you. Then you are the person delaying your project. So you can see now this particular one don't have that icon, so we don't want to waste time. So let's just refresh the page. So you can see after refreshing, the icon popped up. So you click on it and click on view installed kits. Then we look for the header. So I think see it here. Then insert header. So it is inserting template. So you can see, like I told you earlier, these are the other pages you can create. So now you can see now this is the header. So now this is the you can see this menu that we created: home, services, and the contact us. So you just come over here, you select it to be your menu. By default is already your menu. Now this is your logo. Then you have to create a white logo to suit this part. So your logo, your business logo, you have to make it white or a shouty color. Or if you don't want to make it white, the background image should be changed to another color so that you can choose your brand color as the image. So let's publish it. These are social media icons, so you can just click on any of them here. See, it's Facebook. Then here now you paste link to your Facebook page here. Then you close, link to Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. If you don't like any of them, you remove it. That's literally how to do it. Then you publish. And so now let's come to our page, home page, refresh. So after refreshing, so let's go to the header of this website. I think it didn't appear. Let's refresh again. Let's refresh again. So the header didn't appear. So let's check the original website and see how the header look like. So let's check the header first, because by default this particular header is supposed to appear there. So let's view it. Let's import the header again. Home header, contact us. See, these are the pages that we are going to create. So let me check. I think the footer is not here. The footer, sorry, this is not the main header. So this is the header we are going to use. We imported this one, but this is not the one. This is the background header. We are going to use this one instead. So let's remove this one to publish this one. So we are not using the other one, we are using this one. So you can see, just like I said earlier, this is your menu. This is the image. So you create your logo here. This is your Facebook pages. I've shown you how you can link your Facebook pages, so you can do it. So publish, then click on home page, then refresh. I know that is not our header, so let's refresh again. I think something is wrong somewhere. So let's go back up and see. Okay, it's on top. So that the first header is going to be the header we are going to use. So we are going to use this particular first header. So yes, we are going to use this header. So then let's delete this, publish, come to home page, refresh. It's not showing. That means we need to edit this particular home page and bring it down. Yes, we need to bring it down. But okay, let me just find out the next thing to do. Sorry. I'll troubleshoot it. So to solve this header problem, so just what we are going to do is that we are going to import the two headers together and we publish it. Let's see what will happen. Let's come to the home page. Let's refresh. So you can see that our header is official here. So if you are going to any page here, this is the current header. So could have shown you how we can go around and bring back that particular header that's supposed to be in the home page. But when I went to the sample website, I found out that this particular header is the official header for the whole pages in the website. Even when you click on contact us, that is the header you are going to see. But the home page happened that the home page have a separate header. So for us to achieve that, we need to go back to editing the home page for it to appear. So, and I don't want to make this video long, so this is how you can just import both of them and edit both of them, add your image to both of them. That is how we can be able to get our header done. I think this particular header is very nice. So now let's say I want to change the background of that particular header, this particular header. Now let's click on this particular background color. See, so let's change it, publish, refresh. You can see everything is fine. So that's it. So that's it for the header. Then we are going to go back and create our footer. And if you are not comfortable with that header, there are other headers that you can go around with it, like choosing other header from element kit template. That's what I usually do if I'm not comfortable, or creating header from scratch. So in my next video, I'm going to teach how you can create a professional looking header from scratch. So now let's create a footer. You click on add new template here. Now write footer. Now this type, you change it to footer entire website, then mark it as activate, then edit content, so that we can import our footer too. So if you have any issue, you can drop it in the comments so that I will attend to you immediately. I respond to every comment. So I will refresh this page for that icon to come, because you can't find it there. So the icon is here, so you click on it, click on view installed kit. Then here now we are going to look for the footer sheet over here, then insert template. So it won't waste time, because I think we have active network, so it won't waste time. All these things doesn't use to waste time. So you can see it, everything successful. So this map here, now click here, just paste your address here, and this particular map starts showing your address automatically without API. Here now you can click here now and click this place. You can to put your Gmail, let's say test at gmail.com, and click on this phone number and change your phone number. You can see it. So help center here, now you can change all this name to your projects, your pages, or other website name that's linked to your website, because from here you can link to other websites. Maybe you want to link to Google. Okay, Google, then here now you paste link to Google. Just here, paste link to Google. Just like I'll paste link to the home page here, I paste link to Google. The same way you can change the security, the name, and paste link. Then if you don't want this particular blog, you delete it. So you follow the same way to edit this particular place. Also, this work hour, the same way, click on it. This 9 a.m. you put it 8. You see, 8 to 9 p.m. weekends. You can change it. You see weekdays, days here, days. Then click on this weekend. You change the name. You change it. So here, this is your logo. You change your logo. The same way here, you link to your pages. The one you don't have, you delete it. If you want it back, you duplicate one of these and edit it. So that's how you can do it. So this newsletter, you create, this is the newsletter title, and this is the form. So I will teach you on how to create this particular form in the next video. So once you learn it, then you can be able to create your form and link your newsletter over here. So if you have watched this video to this point, consider subscribing to this channel. So let's publish our footer. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. See the support, these titles, just click on it and you edit it. So let's refresh the home page. So let's scroll down. Scroll down, we scroll down, we scroll down, we scroll down. You can see it. So what I changed this text, I changed this number, and these are the two things I changed. I removed something here. I put Google here, so you can see the Google have link. If I click it now, it brings me back to my home page. You can see it. So this is it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. I will see you on my next video.